Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning Serbian with FluentU, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin learning Serbian with FluentU, first, visit the FluentU website or download the app on your device. Create an account by providing your email address and setting up a password. Once logged in, navigate to the language selection menu and choose Serbian. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout to make your learning experience smoother. Explore the available learning materials, such as videos, dialogues, and interactive exercises. Select a video that interests you, ideally one related to your current skill level. Watch the video with subtitles to help you connect spoken words with their written forms. Pause the video regularly to take notes on new vocabulary or phrases. After watching, use the interactive subtitles feature to review difficult words or phrases. Engage with the flashcards provided for new vocabulary to reinforce your understanding. Take advantage of the quizzes available for each lesson to test your knowledge. Repeat the process with various videos to expose yourself to different contexts and accents. Set a consistent study schedule to reinforce your learning and make progress. Consider joining FluentU's community forums to connect with other learners and share resources. Track your progress through the app to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Lastly, keep practicing your speaking and listening skills outside of the app through conversation partners or language exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.